friend! Ayan, magluluto tayo ulit ng chicken curry today. So, we're gonna use the other half. So, 6 cubes, 2 recipes. So, itong you can use 2. So, we are using half for our second chicken curry sa gatayan. If you do not eat curry, ito is a different kasi with gata siya. So, ito we have our sibuyas, bawang, patatas, carrots, and our chicken. So, gigisa natin yan. Pag lumambot na, tsaka natin lalagay ang ating curry and our vegetable. Ayan. So, it's a Sunday. Medyo hapon na tayo nakaluto kasi we went out to SM Fairview. Meron lang tayong errands. And nag-book sale na rin tayo. Kaya meron naman tayong book sale haul today. Right in. Nagisa na natin yung chicken natin. Ayan. Sinasangkot siya natin o sinisir natin before natin lagyan ng sabaw. Ang bago natin nilagay ang ating chicken cubes. Curry cubes pala, hindi chicken cubes. Ayan, marka pinya. Nasir na natin or nasagpulsan natin yung chicken. So, lagyan natin ng 1 cup of water para lumambot na yung ating chicken before natin ilagay ang ating cubes at vegetable. Ayan, nilagyan na natin ng 1 cup of water. So, close lang natin para kumulo at lumambot ng chicken natin. Siguro mga 15 minutes natin pakuluan ng ating chicken para lumambot bago natin ilagay ang ating cubes and gulay. Ayan, nalagay na natin ang ating chicken curry with gata. Made with gata. Kaya iba ang taste. Masarap ang ating chicken curry because of the gata. Yan, nalagyan natin yung patatas, carrots, and the chicken curry. So, we'll just wait it na mag-soften or lumambot ang ating chicken. And then, we can have this for dinner. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Ayan, cut and ting. Luto ng ating chicken curry. Ayan, pinapalapot lang natin yung sabaw. And then, for dinner, good for dinner. Papsi, sana magustuhan mo ulit ang ating chicken curry for tonight. Yan, kasi umalis kami ng lunchtime, kaya tonight na lang yan for dinner. Tsaka dinner for the coming days. Stay safe, everyone!